Long story short, we were living in LA, and as a side hustle, I was making ceramic shark heads and selling them on Etsy. It was pretty exhausting, but it was a really good learning experience. And I was like, whoa, what if I put this amount of time into my side hustle? And so a big reason we moved out here was so I could take the risk of putting all of my time and energy into working for myself full time. I'm Lorien Stern. I'm a ceramicist and a designer, and I paint as well. And this is my handmade home. I live out in the desert with my partner Dave in my family's salvage yard. It's definitely not for everyone, but it's just peaceful and calm. It's okay, good boy. We have 5 pets. This is Curly. We have a cat named Bob. And outside we have 2 ducks, Slim and Beaker, and a tortoise named Myrtle. I feel very happy and grateful and into what we have. This is the living room. This room mostly has art by me or my partner Dave or some of our good friends. I made these 3 ceramic pieces on the floor. The TV stand, I made it versatile into a little cat house. It's watermelon theme of his. I love watermelons. I made this giant eyeball. When we first moved into this place, it was very run down. No flooring, no bathroom. There were goats and chickens living in here. The place was in really rough shape, so it was a challenge, but it was really exciting. We'd never had our own place before, and we really put in a lot of effort to make this place our home. It's very colorful and bright, and just wouldn't expect it when you come in through the door. We really like everyday objects feeling special. Like when a pillow is also an art piece, or a couch color bringing me joy. One of my favorite things in this room is this strawberry coffee table that Dave made. The shape perfectly fits the space. My partner Dave is a musician and an artist, and we love to collaborate on a lot of things in the home. He also has his own business where he makes really cool wall hanging lamps and tables, and he's a really cool DIY guy. Making things, that's like the most fun thing to us. This rug I designed, and this dog bed's a very big hit in my house. Made these 2 cabinets. Dave assembled them, I painted them. If you can add a fun pull to it, why not? Life's short, I think you should have fun. So much duck stuff. They're just a cool animal. This is our kitchen and dining room. This is our dining room table that Dave and I designed together. It's 2 orange trees. I love this table. I really like nature, fun colors, animals. This is a painting by my good friend Kinda. You'll see more of her work around here. A lot of Dave's drawings. I make these ghost mirrors. I do have similar aesthetic taste to children because I feel like they're drawn to fun things and colorful things. Just reconnecting to those feelings of childhood. It's kind of what I like to call the Flinstones aesthetic. There's not a lot of straight lines, but things are like kind of fun and colorful, and everything has humor. I like when you don't have to like try super hard to make something funny. I like subtle humor, or like humor you might find in nature, like, I don't know, a toad's face is just like kind of sweet, but it's like a little funny. These cabinets are original for the most part. When we first moved in, there weren't any cabinet doors down here, and we put these cabinets up and they're here to stay. I picked out this really pretty blue color provided to us from our neighbor who just had a storage unit of like really old paints, 20 to 30 years old. Luckily, there were some really cool blues in there. And it's funny, I actually used a Rust-Oleum like oil-based paint for the cabinets. I had to put like 10 coats of paint on top of it to make it not show through. These took like 2 days to dry. But I really like how they turned out, and they have a great sheen, but not intentional to use Rust-Oleum on the cabinets. And all the curtains, my mom and I just grabbed some fabrics and she sewed all of them. We didn't totally have enough of like the same color for anything or the same material, but I really like how it all turned out. Here's Bob. Both of these are Dave's drawings. This is a light that Dave and I made together. And over here is one of my favorite pieces in the house. It's a portrait of Eminem by my friend India Jacobs. These are meatballs and these lines are spaghettis, because he sings about that. This is our office slash guest room slash music studio slash painting studio, a versatile room. These lockers actually I found covered in oil and dust, and I cleaned them up and sprayed them with Rust-Oleum. One of my favorite pieces in this room is this lamp by my good friend Katie Kimmel that she did of my cat Bob. Dave's the musician. I don't really play music. These are prints of paintings by one of my favorite artists who I learned about from an alien documentary. I think they're amazing. We have a print by Kinda over here and another print by Matt Fury. And all of these drawings of musicians up here are by Dave in Crayola pencils. Massive Kinda painting. I made both of these pots. This is a test tile rug that I made. Curly likes it. And over here is our work desk. I've got a lot of random things up here. We love this room. Into the bathroom. The bathroom was a pretty big undertaking. There was no toilet, no shower, no sink, no tub, no tiled floor. It was just subfloor. It was very bare bones. Learn how to like tile the floor in there. I painted it white, and my friend Allie helped me paint watermelons on the wall. Dave and I DIY'd this countertop to fit the space and cabinets. I just got this pretty inexpensive sink from the hardware store, put ceramic decals on it and fired it. Cut out these little watermelon handles and I painted them to go with the watermelon wall. And we had horrible light in here, so we just put in this vanity light that we DIY'd together. It's an electric eel. Well, it's kind of a moire eel. My friend that made the M&M plate in the kitchen also made this really cool little chimney tissue box. She also made our toilet paper holder, which is like an alien hand coming out of the wall. It's really fun too, which is an unusual joy. Dave and I did make that toilet seat cover in the shape of a tulip. Heading to the bedroom. I love a blue bedroom. I think that's like a really soothing color to look at before you go to sleep and when you wake up in the morning. Because outside is so much sand and beige. And here it's like a contrast. It's not just all desert. We also got paint for that bedroom from our neighbor who had the storage full of paint. And it was still good. Dave made these ladybug handles. I did these paintings, a couple more drawings and screen prints by Matt Fury. And probably the thing I'm the most proud of in this house is this invention I made that's a string hanging from the ceiling that hangs my iPad. So I can suspend my iPad from the ceiling and watch TV in bed. It's very functional. It's a positive environment. There's a lot of things in here that make me happy, so I'm pretty proud. This place is very special to me. So much collaboration between Dave and I in here, and I'm surrounded by so much heart and soul and stuff that's good to me, or that, you know, I put a lot of work into, or someone I like put a lot of work into. Life's short and you should surround yourself with things that make you happy and remind yourself of who you are. It's such a special place that I'm so glad and grateful to call home. I hope you liked the tour of my house, and if you did, please smash that like button and like this video and subscribe to Handmade for more videos just like this.